Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's episode of our podcast. It's me, Afnan Akbar, and I'm truly honored to be your host. Hosting for me is not just about asking questions, it's about creating a space where thoughts meets, where experiences connects, and where every listener feels included. Well, today we will talk about success. We often see the effective side of the success, the achievements, the rewards, and the celebration. But behind every success, there is countless failures, sleepless nights, and movement of doubt. Many people treat success like a finishing line, something to reach and then stop. But in reality, success is more like a journey. Every step forward, every lesson learned, and every challenge overcome. Moreover, today I'm having a friend with myself, Mr. Sudesh, who is right now sitting in front of me, and I'm also very excited because he is going to share his own thoughts with us. Okay, so Mr. Sudesh, can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, why not? This is me, Muhammad Sulis Baya, and I'm the student of Advanced Conversation Plus in the Lab 2 Security of English Language and
Okay, Mr. Sudesh, can I ask some question from you?
Yes, sure.
Okay, so first question from you is that can success be achieved without struggle?
No, success cannot be achieved without struggle. Because if you want to achieve your goals and fulfill your desire and you want to reach your destination, so you people need to do hard. You people need to do struggle because struggle is something which push you to the hard, to the success.
Great. The second question from you is that what is the biggest reason most people fail to achieve success?
The biggest reason is that they don't have time management because they don't know they don't know that how to manage my 24 hours. If you manage your time, so you are a successful person. The second one is that they don't have the clarity of vision. If you if you don't set a goal for yourself and if you don't have the clarity of vision, so how you will achieve and how you will achieve reach to your destination. So the thing you need to do to set a goal for yourself and make a clear vision for yourself.
Great to hear. The next question from you is that why do successful person value time more than money?
Most of the successful people they value money. They value the time, not money. They know about the time. Then if I lose the time, so time will never return. And they also know about the money. If I lose the money, so I can regain the money. If you ask this question from the successful people, do you like to go big 2 years or do you want money? They will answer that I would like to go 2 years big because they know that I will earn too much money in 2 years. In 2 years, they know the value of time. So we need to manage the time as well. So that's why they value the time, not you.
Nice answer. The fourth question from you is that why do some people succeed faster than other?
Some people they become successful than others faster because they never give up. They never give up on their achievement. Because Jack Ma says if you fail, so don't worry about yourself. Don't worry about your success because try again, you will achieve one day. Look up to Jack Ma. Look up to the example of Jack Ma. He said that I failed thousands of times, but he never gave up and now he is a successful person. So I would say that never give up on your achievement. If you fail, because if you fail, so try again, you will achieve one day because failure is the part of success.
Great. The fifth question from you is that who inspire you the most when you think about successful people?
The most inspirable person for me is Jack Ma. Because when I think about success, so I realize about Jack. I realized about Jack Ma that he failed thousands of times and he never gave up. And I also get strength that yes, I can do. So just because of Jack Ma, I inspired a lot from you.
Great. Next question is that do you believe consistency is more important than motivation for success?
Yes, I believe that consistency is more important than motivation because consistency is something which push you to the success. And because if you have consistency in your daily life, so you will make habit and you will do each and every individual thing in your life just because of consistency.
Great to hear. The last question from you is that how important is hard work compared to talent when it's come to being successful?
Yes, the hard work is more important than talent because if you see that most of the people they have talent but they don't do hard work, and because of this they fail. So talent is something which give you a start, but hard work is something which take you to the success. So you need to do hard work for achieving your goals, for fulfill your desire. So yes, hard work is more important than talent.
Okay, today's podcast was outstanding. Thank you so much, Mr. Sudesh, for joining us, and thank you so much for giving us your precious time. I hope today's episode give you a push you needed. If it did, so share it with someone who's also chasing their dreams too. Thanks for watching and see you in next episode. Thank you so much.